Question 6. In a class of 3 out of 5 of the pupils are girls, okay, 1 out of 6 of the girls and 3 out of 4 of the boys wear spectacles. What fraction of the pupils wear spectacles? Express your answer in its simplest form. This question can be solved by different methods. One of the methods that I did as a student was to go directly 3 out of 5, okay, are girls. You times 1 out of 6 of them, and then you plus, okay, how many boys? Boys would be 2 out of 5, right? And then I times 3 out of 4 of them. Okay, I would just do this as a student, and I'll be able to get 3 over 30 plus 6 over 20, which if I simplify, it will be 1 over 10, and this would be 3 over 10, that would be 4 over 10, and final answer is 2 over 5. That was what I did as a student, but there's another method that I think more people will be familiar with now, which is the ratio method. So I'm just going to erase this to make it neater. Alright, the ratio method is going to look at the fact that you have, okay, girls is to boys is to total, and that is the same as 3 is to 2 is to, oh, total, I don't know why I write L, total T. 3 is to 2 is to 5. Alright, and then if you see over here, 1 out of 6 of the girls, 3 out of 4 of the boys, seems to be a clue. If you times 2 throughout, it's going to be 6 is to 4 is to 10. So indeed, there are 6 girls, 4 boys, okay, in a class of 10 people. See it that way, alright? Which means 1 out of 6 of the girls, which means 1 girl, okay, wears spec. 3 out of 4 of the boys, and there are 4 boys here, which means 3 boys wear specs, okay? This is not necessarily true, I'm just saying it to make you understand the question a bit better. But you can always multiply this by many times, and you have like bigger class, and therefore more girls and more boys. Over here, continue, if we continue, that would mean 1 out of 10 of the student is a girl that wears specs. 3 out of 10 of the students are boys who wear specs. That would be 4 over 10. Okay, that would be 2 over 5. Alright, so the answer is 2 out of 5. Question 7. In a crate, 2 out of 5 of the fruits were apples and the rest were pears. So, the rest were 3 out of 5. Half of the apples and for the 74 pears of from the crate were sold. There were then a total of 150 apples and pears left in the crate. What was the total number of apples and pears in the crate at first? Okay, so apples, let's use the ratio method that more of you are familiar with. Apple is 2 is to pear is 3. Okay, in the end, you are going to have, alright, this is in the beginning at first. In the end, you are going to have apples is to pear, okay, 1. Why is it 1? Because half of it is gone, right? So half of 2 is 1 okay, that is gone, and also 1 is left, that is left over. And then you have 3 units minus 74. This is 1 unit, okay, is to 3 units minus 74 that are sold. And if you put is to total, this would be 4 unit minus 74, right? 1 unit plus 3 unit minus 74 is 4 unit minus 74. Okay, 4 unit minus 74 is effectively 150. So 4 unit is 150 plus 74, which is 224. 1 unit is 224 divided by 4, which is 56. Total number of apples and pears in a crate at first, which is, the total is 5 units, right? So 5 units would be 56 times 5, 280. The figure below shows square ABEF and rectangle BCDE. Find the sum of angle X and angle Y. Angle X, alright, over here is basically 90 degrees. This is your property of a rectangle, right? All 4 angles are 90 degrees. 9 degrees minus 21 degree, you're gonna get 69 degree. Okay, and then let's look at Y here. Y is special because this is a diagonal cutting across a square. What does that mean? It means that angle Y is 90 degrees divided by 2. It is exactly the same as the other side here. Okay, that's 45 degrees. So the total angle X plus angle Y, the sum of it, sum means plus, that would be 69 degree plus 45 degree, and that is 114 degree. Okay, next question, question 9. Okay, it shows all the favorite colors of the students in the school. Each student was only allowed to choose one favorite color. What is the ratio of number of students who chose red to those who chose blue to those who chose yellow? So this is red is to blue is to yellow. Alright, let's look at the diagram. Red is over here, this is 300. Blue, a bit cut off, but if you jot it over, you should get 240. This one, if you jot it over, pardon me, I don't have a ruler on the computer, so this is 420. I mean, yeah, this is 420, but this is green. We don't really want to look at green for now. But it's always a good habit to just label everything at first, so later you don't have to go back to it. This is 60. So red is to blue is to yellow is 300 is to 240 is to 60. If you simplify it, you divide by 60 throughout. You get 5, you get 4, you get 1. So answer is 5 is to 4 is to 1 here. Mr. Tan bought t-shirts for all the students in their favorite color. Total amount collected was $10,710. Given that the cost of each shirt was the same, find the cost of each t-shirt. So let's add them all up. 300 plus 240 plus 60 plus green is 420. That would be 1020. 10710 divided by 1020. Alright, this one. Okay. It's a 1 here. Okay, you borrow another 0. So this is gonna be a point something. Okay, it will be a 5. Okay, so it's 10.5, but because it's money, you have to put another 0 at the back because it's always 2 decimal places. So this is the answer. You can use your calculator, so don't waste time doing what I did here. Okay, moving on. Question 10. Alright, some boys and some girls sign up for a mathematics competition. Okay, on the actual day, some boys were absent. As a result, the ratio, okay, of girls to boys who took part in the competition was 6:11. How many boys were absent for the competition? So the girls didn't change, right? Alright, so 6 units is 744, which means 1 unit is 744 divided by 6, which is 124. Okay, 11 units would therefore be 124 times 11, and that would be 1364. Okay, and you just use the original number of boys minus 1364, and you will get 134, which are the number of boys absent for the competition. That's a lot of people. Okay.